Hi lovely people, welcome to this pranayama practice. Today we are going to be taking a look at Ujjayi Pranayama, which is a breathing exercise. I want to say that Ujjayi might be the most common pranayama used because this is a pranayama that you will often see during Vinyasa and Ashtanga classes. Also during Hatha classes, they are often used throughout the duration of most of the class. Ujjayi is a really nice way to help you calm down your system, help it focus. So clarity of mind and focus, which is mostly the goal of this. And we are getting there by gently constricting our throat as we are breathing. This helps us to both lengthen our breath, but it will also help you to have that little sound that you can focus on. Ujjayi is also known as the ocean breath, so you might have heard it like that, and that is because of the ocean-like sound that we are making while breathing. So if you're ready, come into a comfortable seated position and let's take a look at Ujjayi Pranayama. In order to do this pranayama, you can imagine that you are trying to blow steam onto a little mirror as if you want to clean it. So just open your mouth, your hand's going to be your mirror in this case, and trying to steam up that little mirror. That is the constriction in the throat that we are looking for during this pranayama practice. So just try it a few times. That is the feeling that we're looking for, except with this pranayama, we are actually breathing through our nose instead of through our mouth. So we're going to make that same way of breathing, except this time we're closing our mouth. So instead of it will be, you can also drop your hands if you like. So as if you are blowing steam onto a mirror, except with your mouth closed. Can you feel that? That is half of the exercise because we are not only making that sound while exhaling, which is what we've been doing right now, you are also making that same sound while inhaling. So that same constriction of your throat is there during the entire breath cycle. So this is what that might look like. So you can just try that for yourself for a little while. So gently constricting your throat as you are breathing in and out through your nose. You will most likely notice that just by doing this, your breath is already going to slow down, and that is what we are looking after. So that's what we're looking for in this breath. So let's just try that a few times together. So Ujjayi Pranayama, breathing in and out through your nose while gently constricting your throat to make that ocean wave-like sound. Let's go. You can just gently keep going while I'm going to give you a few more tips. While doing this way of breathing, we want to try and make our breath as smooth as possible. So ideally without any pauses, just the gentle rise and fall of your inhale, like those same waves of the ocean. And this is a breathing exercise that you can do while doing yoga to help you with your focus during your practice. But you can absolutely also do this on its own as a general pranayama practice or during your meditation practice. You can honestly do this anytime throughout your day if you want to have that clarity and that focus, no matter what you are doing. So feel free to just come back to this practice throughout your day to help you with that focus. Let's do a few more rounds together, and then we're gently going to close off. Gently let go of the Ujjayi breath. Just going back to your own natural breath, closing your eyes for a moment if you still have them open. And just take a moment to notice how you feel. You can gently open up your eyes if you still have them closed. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. You can let me know in the comments how you liked this practice. Is Ujjayi something you are already using in your own practice, or is it new to you? Let me know. I'd love to hear from you. If you would like to practice on, I will have some up on the screen for you. And if not, thank you for practicing with me today, and I hope to see you soon. Have a lovely rest of your day. Bye!